What up, YouTubers? Welcome to 80 Grit Talent. I'm your host, Mr. Grit, and today we're cooking eggs. Eggs on the Weber. Not just any eggs, deviled eggs. So turn around, stay tuned, and I will show you how it's done. All right, I'm back, YouTubers. All right, I'm Mr. Grit. We're making hard-boiled deviled eggs, but we're going to smoke them bad boys. That's right, we're going to smoke them. So you're going to need about a dozen eggs, hard-boiled, sliced in half. Some bacon bits, some paprika, mustard of your choice, hot sauce of your choice, some mayonnaise, and some shredded cheese. It's fairly easy, really simple to up your game at the next barbecue. So I'm going to go outside, I'm going to fire up the pit, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do. All right, I fired up the pit, but we're not just any pit. We're cooking on the Weber. That's right, a 22.5-inch Weber kettle. Yes, you could do this on a Weber, not just a smoker. I'll show you what I'm turning and I'm going to talk about. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You got yourself a small bed of coals going, and you're going to use that. You don't go and need the temperature very high, just a small bed of coals. All right, we're going to probably end up flipping things around the best I possibly can if I can figure out how to do this, but guess what? We're going to learn together, and that's what makes cooking great. So we got the hot bed of coals going. What we're going to end up doing is have some pecan and some cherry. Cherry and pecan go really good with anything with poultry whatsoever. So I learned that the good way. So I also have a drum, but we're not using the ugly drum smoker this time. We're keeping it on the Weber. So that's going to be coming up to about 225, 230 degrees, and we're only going to smoke it for about 25, 30 minutes until it gets that golden color. So when that comes around, I'll show you the next steps. All right, so we got our pecan, we got our cherry. Small Weber sitting about 225, that's where I want it. So we got a nice good hot coals going on. So we're going to take our cherry. All right, we're going to put that up on there. We're going to get that going up real good, right? We got some more. And then I like to throw a little bit of pecan on there. Just a little bit of pecan. Bear with me. Please bear with me. We get it smoking up really good, you know? Get going real good. All right, so we get that thing smoking. We put that up in there. Boom. We'd be good to go. We'll get that smell going up and going. And then I'll show you the very next step, which is the most important one. Hold on. So we put our eggs on, right, over a tin pan of ice and a good rolling smoke. All right, you want to do that for about 25 to 30 minutes. The reason why we did it over ice is because we don't want the whites to get rubbery. We're back, people. All right. Now, we just got off the smoker, right, or the Weber, and we spent about 25 minutes on there till we got a nice, good golden color. As you can see, it's not too bad. It's all right. Now, I already pulled these out, and I already mixed it already in my bowl, but I'm going to tell you what I put in it. It's very simple, right? We got a third cup mayonnaise, your choice, low fat, light free. I like Hellman's, real mayonnaise. That's good. Put that bad boy in the bowl. Mustard, like I said in the beginning, mustard, your choice, some of the best stuff, whatever you like. Cheap, Dijon, sweet and spicy, I don't care. I mean, it's up to you. It's your recipe. Do take it, run with it. It's yours. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of that. Hot sauce. Yes, hot sauce of your choice. You can use sriracha, you can use Texas Pete, dollar store, bro. Dollar store, people. $1. It's good, it's cheap, it gets the job done. And if you go to chilipeppermadness.com, you can get some great recipes there if you're into making your own. I gone there, made some freaking awesome pineapple express, or what I call pineapple express, with pineapple, onions, habaneros. Beautiful, it's great, fresh, with a little bit of sweet heat. But we put hot sauce, 1 teaspoon, or according to your taste. you like that. I put a little bit of extra in there because I like a little bit extra heat. Also put a couple dashes of black pepper. It's not required. That's my personal preference. So I already mixed it in a bowl. I'm lazy. I'm not stupid. Baggy. Put it in the bag. Mix it to the consistency that you like. Put it in the bag. I don't have anything piping, so Ziploc friend is my friend. That's how we do it. So, what we're going to do, we're going to take our little pipe. We're going to pipe it in the little filling so it's all nice and yummy, just like that. Put that over there. Cheese. Cheese. I mean, any type of cheese. Shredded cheese, whatever cheese. Whatever. Cool. All right. This is a Mexican blend or a fancy blend, whatever. Get some cheese. Put some cheese on that bad boy. Right? Bacon. You gotta love bacon, right? It's like the filet mignon of pork. I mean, everything with bacon tastes better. So take a little bit of bacon, put that on your little stoop. And I'm going to tell you, folks, this is amazing. Look at that. Oh, man. You want to step up your game to barbecuing and freaking game changing with the same old bull stuff? This is what you need to get. You got the bacon, the cheese, the hot sauce, the smoked egg, everything. Let's take a bite of this and let's try this out. Really taste the wood, good smoke, the bacon. A little mild for my taste. I like a little more hot sauce. I might add that in there. Oh, but man, it elevates it to the next level. Amazing. So if you like what you see, you like what you try, it ain't gonna hurt. It's just egg. It's a cheap meal. Easy, simple to make. If you like what you like, hit that subscribe button. Get what you like so you don't miss a thing, and so you can step up your game and start cooking with grit. If there's anything that you like, comment below. You want to see me cook next time? Pork, brisket, ribs, you name it. I got it. I got the smoker. I got the skills. I'll show you how to cook with grit. Till next time, stay tuned.